angles of elevation of top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. So the angles are complementary. So from here to here are intermediate confusing statements. So first thing is we need to understand that angles are complementary. Which two angles? We'll see that. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meters. So the whole chapter I told you the trick here is diagram. Draw the diagram and then think about it. So the very first thing of a diagram is your base, okay, on which we stand. On that we build a tower, right? So let us read the question again. The angle of elevation of top of a tower. So we are looking at the top of the tower from 2 points at a distance 4 and 9 meters from the base of the tower. So we are watching from 4 and I think 9 is somewhere over there. So we're watching from two different points, right? So basically your angle of elevation is from this point and this point. So apparently, let us name it so that I can discuss. ABC is an angle 90 degree and BD is 9 meters. Okay, that's what they're given, right? And this is 4 meters. So this happens to be 6 meters. That's what we have to prove actually. I just wrote it off, but yeah. Okay, this is your base of the tower, right? So that you guys can understand the question better. Now pause and read the question again. Check if the diagram is right and what else to add. Okay, so we didn't talk about the where is this complementary thing. No, where is this complementary and what is this complementary? The angles are complementary. Do you remember from uh, introduction to trigonometry? We use the word complementary. Something called as complementary angles. So complementary has to do with two angles being equal to 90 degree. So if I take this as angle M, this will be 90 minus M. Okay, that's what they're talking about. The angles found between the angle of elevation, right, between these 2 points are complementary. So if the one is M, other one is 90 minus M. Okay, so this is the whole thing. So here we need to prove that AB is 6 meters. Okay, and next is the proof itself. So we'll begin with consider triangle ABC. Right. So now you can pause and think over how do you go about and try to prove it. It's a different problem. So my suggestion is before you see the answer, try it, because if you get the answer, you'll feel a lot good. Okay. So you get two equations and try to handle and try to find out AB from that. Okay, so we begin with triangle ABC. We have tan of 90 minus M, right? Whatever this angle is, I'm just writing that. Opposite is AB. Remember, we don't know AB. And adjacent is 4, right? So AB is equal to tan 90 minus theta is cot of theta into 4 into cot M. We'll call this as equation 1. Okay. Next, consider triangle ABD. Right? Here too, tan of M is opposite by adjacent. So AB is equal to 9 times of tan M. We'll call this as equation 2. So from this, we can get an expression for tan. How? See, both are equal to AB. From 1 and 2, we have 4 times of cot of M is equal to 9 times of tan m. So we have 4 by tan m is equal to 9 times of tan m. So cross multiply 4 by 9 is equal to tan m into tan m, that is tan square m. It's the same thing as a into a, which is a square, right? Then as usual, we can take a square root. So tan of m is equal to square root of 4 by 9, which is equal to 2 by 3. So we are just taking the positive value. Negative value is a possibility, but we are not taking that into account because in your syllabus we are not considering the negative values. Okay, so we got tan m value. That's a good thing. All we have to do is find AB. So substitute in equation 2, right? So equation 2 is AB is equal to 9 times of tan m. So AB is equal to 9 times of tan m is 2 by 3, which is equal to 6 meters. That's it. So we are done with the question. So the height of the tower is equal to 6 meter, hence proved. Okay, so now you can pause and have a look at the answer. Please enroll to our program at chalkpieceacademy.com, wherein we'll be teaching you a lot more tricks for faster simplification and calculation, DIY projects. We'll code with Python. We'll work with Arduino Uno. There are a lot more magic tricks and the physics behind it. They are printable materials which will help you recap and understand things better. We'll have live revision and doubt session 2 months before your term exams. It's very cost effective. There would be no ads or any kind of distractions, and we have a dedicated app to help you guys with this.